So there's something called OData. So we are going to understand how do we get the data from OData as a connector. So you must be hearing it for the first time, many of you, right? So let me explain what is OData quickly. Okay. So OData, okay, I'll just search for OData. So everybody can do that. So just a Google search. So as you can see, OData, the best way to rest. So what is exactly this? So you need not worry about all this technical terminology of this. This is just for the definition purpose. So OData is nothing but Open Data Protocol. It's kind of a set of best practices for connecting your data from the cloud using some RESTful APIs. So the web pages uses some APIs internally, and it allows us to access the data which is sitting on the web pages. Okay, that is how is the OData is one of the connector. So just like the web connector that you have seen just a while ago, OData is one of the connector. So from the Power BI perspective, you need not worry about the technicalities or the other areas. No, just for the definition purpose, we just open this and let's go back to our Power BI desktop. Just open Power BI desktop. All right. So there is again, some organizations can use OData, and since if the organization is using OData, definitely they will restrict using some ID and password, right? And also we have a publicly available OData, just like we've seen for web. So I'm going to get a publicly available OData. So there's something called OData Northwind Database. Okay, it's a freely available public database, and you can see it's a very first option that you got it. You click on this Northwind service that we have. So as you can see, you might not understand what exactly is linked inside, but there is an XML file internally on the cloud as a web page available on the internet. Under internally, it has got a lot of data in there. So basically, we can just directly use this link, right? And go back to our Power BI desktop. Click on Get Data. Click on More. Search for the OData. There's an OData connector directly available. Click on Connect. The URL. Just copy paste the URL and you will be able to go to the next step. So it will be able to scan that particular URL and get the data in the tabular formats, whatever it is storing. Okay. Let us see what it shows us. So basically, it's a very good database called Northwind Database. I can use this database for practicing a lot of things. So you can see there's a lot of tables inside this particular URL on the cloud, right? It is freely accessible. You need not worry about connecting on that. Again, maybe for some people who are connecting for the first time, again, you need to select this option called anonymous, right? If it is asking so. So just select this categories or maybe any table that you wanted to connect. You can just see what you have and just click on transform data or load. You'll be able to land into the data. As simple as that.